Welcome back to this amazing channel and welcome to this new video. We are about to do another video. Today we are doing cycling, bicycle riding with Uncle Sergey. We have hired this one, but this one we have it, so we needed one more so that they become two. It may hire. You are hiring it at 50 shillings per hour, so it's affordable. So wacha tuende. I hope you enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share as well. Try it out guys. If you don't know how to ride, jifunze. Hii mwaka we are working on good body goals, right? So tufanya every other type of exercise until we make it. So also we are road to 3K by the way, by the end of February. That's what we are targeting. So please do make sure you subscribe and also join our live streams all the days, 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. Sawa? So acha tuende. Wale wanasemanga sijui kuride. No swallowing, okay? If you swallow, eh? I chapa, yes.
I will get no swallowing. It's getting into your stomach. Is swallowing.
Yeah. It's just your stomach you are swallowing. Okay. Potato dengu na potato waru, samosa dengu na waru. Waru ngapi? Ni dengu. Samosa haya?
Samosa hapana.
Waru ni ngapi? Waru ngapi dengu moja? Waru ngapi dengu moja? Usiweke. Ni ya watoto bana. Watoto utaweka. Hata mimi wacha uone.
Go. Go KK. Go KK.
Guys, nimeshikwa na muscle pull after nimeride ngapi hata? Nimeride like 2 or 3 times nikashikwa na muscle pull hapa kwa kidonda. But it's normal. I usually get them. Now, sasa hivi venye nimeride sana, I think niku strain sana. Nikapata muscle pull. So that means I need to be riding the bicycles sana ndio nizoe maybe. But that doesn't mean it's the end. I'm still going to do it when I rest a bit So for CS moms, by the way, CS moms, ebu tell me if you usually get a muscle pull over here penye ulifanywa stitches. Tell me whether you usually get the muscle pull, and after when you do what. That is the point. Uniambie unapatanga muscle pull when na kama unapatanga, alright? Because me I usually get when I laugh sana, nikistrain sana, nikifanya kazi yenye sijazoea, most times huwa na strain napata hizo muscle pulls. So comment down below and tell me. I'm sorry for this. Nimejipanguza, siku nakumbuka nilijipaka makeup. So nimejipanguza jasho, lakini it's amazing. We are enjoying. Yes. KK. Utaanguka baba. Finish higo. Hata watoto wa kucheza wamekuja. Papa, you are not supposed to leave your bicycle anywhere, okay? Yeah? When you leave your bicycle there and you go at home at it to drink water, you will find no bike. But we were here. We were taking care of it.
Yeah. Ngoja nikupite. Nipite. Unipite.